So this is a video I really didn't want to put out, particularly this early in the virus outbreak. But last night my wife developed flu-like symptoms. She had a sore throat, a dry cough. She developed a fever. I myself have now got a sore throat. I have an absolute banging headache. My head feels like it's going to explode. It's got nothing to do with my book being printed. So following government guidelines, my family and myself will have to self-isolate ourselves for 14 days. My family are in good spirits. The kids, they have got no symptoms at the moment. The wife, she's quite ill, I'll be honest with you. She's just burning up, sweating, so she'll be in bed most of the time, I suspect. But we have Netflix, we have Amazon Prime, I've got plenty of entertainment. I'm going to go and start playing Borderlands 3 right after this video is done. So, you know, it's the fact that we can't go out, that's the hard part. We've let relatives and friends know of the condition. My kids are off school now. They're going to be off school for at least a month now because the time of the 14-day period ends. It's practically going to be Easter, so the schools are going to be closed again. We're going to have a lot of madness in this house till then. I'm okay for food. I don't know if we actually have the coronavirus because the NHS isn't testing people that are not that ill. I myself, I have a very high immune system, so I'm not that ill. I mean, I can just carry on doing what I want to do, you know. So again, we're self-isolating because we have flu-like symptoms. We don't necessarily have the coronavirus. That's something I can't find out because, again, the NHS is not testing people like us for coronavirus. I'm worried about the wife's work. What happens? Is she going to get the sack? I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen with the wife's work. I don't know if she's going to get the sack or what. For you, that means that there's going to be a delay in getting any outside content done. I was about to start recording season 2 of Macro Adventures. That was going to be on this Thursday. So obviously that's going to need to be delayed because I don't want to take the risk of bumping into anybody while I'm doing these Macro Adventures, because I do go to places that are popular. Now I can go somewhere that's less popular, but you know, with the family being ill, I've got to look after those first. So for the next couple of weeks, my uploads will most likely be sporadic. I have a video that's already been recorded on dandelion water drop refraction. That will be coming up this week. That was before we got ill, so you'll be able to see that. But again, my uploads will be sporadic. It's going to be all indoor work, so I'm going to need your help. Let me know in the comments below what type of indoor macro work you want to see me do that does not involve me going out and buying flowers or other materials. I have a very small jumping spider that we could try photographing with the new Canon MPE 65mm lens. That's what I can do. Also, with the wife being off work for 14 days, that means we can get a couple of YouTube lives done. So I have an idea of doing a live stack. I already have the images shot. I have 6 images of a jumping spider that I have to stack and edit, clean up. So if you want to see that on a YouTube live, so you'll see all the errors and everything that goes into stacking, let me know again in the comments below. Now, going forward, I will continue to do my plans that are just being put on hold for a few weeks. Hopefully that'll be it and the virus doesn't get any worse. But if I do get worse and I'm unable to do videos, then you'll know why that is, and just, you know, we'll keep chatting online. YouTube lives, I might do a couple like I said, but for now I'm just going to try and stick to normal if possible. It's going to be all indoor work, and I did promise you I would be going outside and doing some outside work, but unfortunately I can't do that at the moment. To get the illness on the same day we're supposed to go to the photography show, that's a real kick up the arse, don't you think? We've gone from being wanting to speak to several different companies to promote the YouTube channel, promote my work, to being isolated now for 14 days. But we're going to push through it. We're going to push through it together. We're going to do several indoor videos. The quality might not be up to scratch what my usual videos are. There's going to be jump cuts just like this video. There will be some jump cuts, but we are going to carry on and do some work. I have my Caribbean Versacolor that needs rehoming, so I might photograph that at the same time. I've got a little jumping spider that I want to photograph because it is very small. You're talking millimeters, so that's going to be a challenge for that Canon MPE 65mm lens, so that might be fun to see. But for now, like I said, if you have any ideas for content that does involve me going outside and getting any supplies, then let me know in the comments below. I'll see if I can get those sorted out. I want to apologise up front to any companies that have sent me lenses for review. There is going to be a delay on that. I don't want to review a lens solely based on indoor work. I need to get out to use the lenses out in the field, so there will be a delay in reviewing any lenses that has been sent to me. Again, because I want to get outside, I want to get the footage of us outside. That's going to have to wait a couple of weeks. So self-isolation, it sucks, but it's necessary. I want to take this time as well to thank everyone for commenting on the videos and sharing them. It's really appreciated. I can't get back to every single comment, but I do make sure to give it a like and a heart if I have read it. So if there is any comments out there where I haven't replied, for some reason, once I've replied to a comment and you reply back, YouTube doesn't notify me of that. So if I have missed anyone's comments, it's not because I don't like it, it's because I haven't been notified. So if you have got questions, hook me up on Twitter or Facebook. I'll be able to answer you over there. Well, this I can promise you. The second our self-isolation is done, the second this lot breezes over, I'm out there and I'm starting season 2 of Macro Adventures. Banging headache and these lights ain't helping. So I might just carry on working, but I might turn the lights down a little bit so the video footage might be a little bit grainy over the next couple of weeks, but we'll see what happens. But for now, I want to thank you for getting to the end of this video. I'm going to sign off now. Click the subscribe button, click the bell notification, because if I do a YouTube live, I'm not going to send out warnings. I'm literally just going to turn on the camera and start working. So if you don't want to miss any of those, get subscribed, click the bell icon to get your notifications to make sure you get notified. But for now, my name's Stewart Wood. I'll see you on the next video.